Hi everyone! If you are here, you've probably seen the dreaded message on Instagram. We suspended your account. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix it and hopefully get your account back. Alright, let's get started with the first step. Check your email. When Instagram suspends your account, they will usually send you an email explaining why it happened. Make sure you check the inbox of the email connected to your Instagram account. If you found the email, follow any instructions provided. Sometimes the email will have a direct link to appeal the suspension. Clicking on that will take you to the next step. Appeal the suspension. If you believe your account was suspended by mistake, you have the right to appeal. Open the Instagram app and log in with your suspended account. You should see an option to disagree with the decision or appeal. Tap on it. Instagram will ask you for additional details, such as why you think this suspension was a mistake. Be polite and clear when explaining the situation. And if the appeal option isn't available through the app, you can submit a form on Instagram's Help Center website. Go to google.com and search for Instagram's appeal page. Then click on the first link and fill out the form with your account information and a brief explanation. Make sure the information is accurate. And once submitted, you will have to wait for Instagram to review your appeal. The fourth step is to wait patiently. This part is probably the hardest, but once you've submitted your appeal, you will have to wait for Instagram to respond. This can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the case. Keep an eye on your email because Instagram will reach out to you there once they've made a decision on your account. If you are able to get your account back, make sure to avoid violating any of Instagram's community guidelines moving forward. Review their policies to make sure your content and actions stay within their rules. And finally, if you're not hearing back from Instagram or your appeal is denied, you can try contacting Instagram support again. You can report the issue through the app by going to Settings, Help, Report a Problem. This might not always guarantee a resolution, but it's worth trying if you believe there has been a mistake. And that's it. I hope these steps help you get your Instagram account back. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.